हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम इन सुपर साइंस क्लासेस। आज हम लोग क्लास 9 केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 3 डिस्कस करेंगे। चैप्टर 3 हमारा है एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स। इन दिस चैप्टर टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मॉलिक्यूलर मास। फर्स्टली वी सी definition of molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Unit of molecular mass is equal to U. मॉलिक्यूलर मास होता क्या है? जो भी मॉलिक्यूल्स हमें दिया रहेगा उसमें प्रेजेंट जितने भी एटम्स होंगे उन सभी के एटॉमिक मास को हम ऐड करेंगे और हमें उस मॉलिक्यूल का मॉलिक्यूलर मास मिल जाएगा। क्लियर? हियर वन एग्जांपल ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर मास। फर्स्टली वी सी वाटर. This is a water molecule in which 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atoms of oxygen is present. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 unit and atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 unit. So we here find molecular mass of water 1 into 2 plus 16 because 2 atoms of hydrogen is involved and 1 atoms of oxygen is involved. 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 unit. 18 unit is the molecular mass of water. Now we see next example, nitric acid. In nitric acid, 1 atoms of hydrogen is involved, 1 atom of nitrogen is involved and 3 atoms of oxygen is involved. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1, atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 and atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. We calculate molecular mass of nitric acid. 1 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 63 unit. 63 unit is the molecular mass of nitric acid. Now we see next example. H2 means hydrogen gas. Here 2 atoms of hydrogen is involved. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2 unit. 2 unit is the molecular mass of hydrogen gas. Next example, oxygen gas. Atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. 2 atoms of oxygen formed oxygen gas. So 16 into 2 is equal to 32 unit is the molecular mass of oxygen gas. Clear? Now we see next example. Next is chlorine gas. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. 2 atoms of chlorine formed chlorine gas. 35.5 into 2 is equal to 71 unit. Next is carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen is involved. Atomic mass of carbon is equal to 2 and atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. 12 plus 16 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 unit. Clear? Now we see next example. Next is methane. Atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 and hydrogen is equal to 1. 1 into 4. Total molecular mass of methane is equal to 16 unit. Next is ethane. C2H6. In ethane, 2 atoms of carbon and 6 atoms of hydrogen is involved. 12 into 2 plus 1 into 16 is equal to 30 unit. 30 unit is the molecular mass of ethane. Next is C2H4, ethylene. 12 into 2 plus 1 into 4 is equal to 28 unit. 28 unit is the molecular mass of ethylene. Next is ammonia, NH3. Here 1 atoms of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen is involved. Atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 and hydrogen is equal to 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 17 unit. 17 unit is the molecular mass of ammonia. Now we see next example, CH3OH, methanol. 12 plus 1 into 3 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 32 unit. Now we see our next topic. Next topic is formula unit mass. What is formula unit mass? Firstly, we see definition of formula unit mass. Formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. It is calculated in the same manner of molecular mass. ये बिल्कुल molecular mass के जैसा ही होता है, इसमें बस किसी भी molecules का formula दिया रहता है. The only difference is that we use the word formula unit for those substances which constituents particles are आयंस। क्लियर। हम लोग फार्मूला यूनिट मास का यूज सिर्फ उनके लिए करते हैं जहाँ पे जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो आयन के फॉर्म में होते हैं। क्लियर। जैसे आपको पता है NaCl, सोडियम क्लोराइड। Here sodium is positive ion and chlorine is negative ion. So here we use the term formula unit mass. Clear. In which also we add atomic mass of these atoms and find out formula unit mass. Now we see examples of formula unit mass. First example of formula unit mass is NaCl, sodium chloride. Atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 and chlorine is equal to 35.5. 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5 unit is the formula unit mass of sodium chloride. Our next example is calcium chloride. Atomic mass of calcium is equal to 40 and chlorine is equal to 35.5. 1 into 40 plus 2 into 35.5, 40 plus 71 is equal to 111 unit. 111 unit is the formula unit mass of calcium chloride. Now we see next example, zinc oxide. Atomic mass of zinc is equal to 65 and oxygen is equal to 16. Total formula unit mass of zinc oxide is 81 unit. Our next example is sodium oxide. Atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 and oxygen is equal to 16. 2 into 23 plus 1 into 16 is equal to 46 plus 16 is equal to 62 unit is the formula unit mass of sodium oxide. Now we see our next and last example, potassium carbonate, K2CO3. 1 into 39 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16 is equal to 99 unit is the formula unit mass of potassium carbonate. Atomic mass of potassium is equal to 39, carbon is equal to 12 and oxygen is equal to 16. From this we find formula unit mass of potassium carbonate is 99 unit. Clear? Thanks for watching video.